Microwaves are a must-have appliance for any kitchen, which is why we have put together this review of the best microwaves found online. We will go through every single microwave and find out its pros and cons, as well as other specifications to help you decide which one is right for you. In this video, we will cover the best 5 microwaves. We are select all products depends on quality, reliability and customer satisfaction. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number 1. Toshiba EM131A5 CBS Microwave. This microwave is a great addition to any kitchen. It has a large capacity and can handle most sized dishes and platters. It's easy to use, just set the time and press start. The black stainless steel exterior looks great in any kitchen. The interior of this microwave features an easy clean enamel finish that makes cleaning up spills a breeze. This microwave also comes with an automatic sensor cooking feature, so you can simply select your food type and it will automatically adjust the power levels for optimum heating every time. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 2. Amazon Basics Microwave. Amazon Basics Microwave is a compact microwave that offers 10 power levels, a kitchen timer, and a child lock. With an Echo device, not included, quick cook voice presets and a simplified keypad let you just ask Alexa to start microwaving. This Amazon Basics product comes with the Alexa voice service built in. Just ask Alexa to set microwave cook times and power levels or convert cook times from conventional ovens to the microwave. See cooking guides for specific foods when using recipe mode, add new preset cooking time. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Digital Microwave. The Black & Decker Digital Microwave features 10 power settings, a 30-second express cooking option, and an interior light. The microwave's pre-programmed buttons make it easy to cook popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, and beverages. It also comes with a dinner plate button for more precise heating of entrees. The unit is equipped with 900 watts of power and has a large LED digital display that's easy to read from across the kitchen. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 4. Breville BM0650SIL1BUC1. The Breville Compact Wave Soft Close with a 25L compact footprint and an easy shortcuts in foods menu is big on convenience and is designed to precisely reheat, defrost and cook. A countertop microwave engineered with an 80% quieter soft close door. Compact microwave. This countertop microwave has a compact footprint with a 25L capacity and all the room you need to cook, defrost and reheat delicious meals. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 5. Panasonic NNSN75LW Countertop Microwave. Panasonic NNSN75LW Countertop Microwave Oven with Genius Sensor Technology is a compact, 1.6 cubic feet countertop microwave oven designed to fit into any kitchen. It features 15 smart sensor cooking options and auto cook menus that help you prepare healthy meals quickly. The microwave has a minimum countertop footprint and can be installed under most cabinets for convenient installation and use. The unit also features automatic defrosting, adjustable power levels for precise cooking, plus an easy-to-read display screen. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links on the description. If you have any questions about these 5 products, you can comment below. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.